How to hide phone number in WhatsApp. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video I'm going to guide you whether or not it is possible for us to change or hide our phone number on WhatsApp, so make sure to watch the video till the end. Now when you open up WhatsApp, you might be logged in and there could be a reason that you might want to change your or hide your phone number, and that is that people add you to certain groups, and inside that group your number is visible to everybody who is a member of that group. Even if you don't know them, your number is actually visible to them. Could be the reason why you want to hide your phone number. Now unfortunately WhatsApp doesn't offer such kind of feature, unlike Telegram, where Telegram does offer you the way to hide your phone number from other people in the group. WhatsApp currently does not offer that. The best thing that you can do is just simply leave that group if you don't recognize anybody, because as you can see, even if I go to the three dots, then go to settings here, go to privacy, there is actually no option to hide my phone number. I can hide my last seen and online status. So unfortunately that's not possible right now. Hopefully if in the future WhatsApp might come up with an update, we can go ahead and do that. Until then, thanks for watching till the very end of this tutorial, and see you soon in the next video.